Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Home Handyman, and I'm taking a look at what they consider the best bargains on Amazon. And I got several emails, 3 of them in total, pushing me towards this combo kit that Makita has, and that, hey, this is an outstanding deal, and on and on and on. But you can buy just the drill driver itself for $100, but they threw in this kit and everything for another $21. All the drill bits and all that stuff. And I thought, okay, I mean, it's not a bad deal. I have a Makita Cordless, I have that 18 volt and I have a DeWalt 20, but I did a little bit of comparative shopping here for a minute because they're pushing this for whatever reason. And it's not a bad deal. I'm not saying it is. Makita makes outstanding products. So nothing bad against Makita, but I want to show you what they have out there in terms of DeWalt and what the deal is, and show you why I think your better value is to go the other way. So let me tear this down, let me throw the other one up, and we'll continue the conversation. Okay, so here I threw up the advertisement, same thing off of Amazon. You can read through all the reviews. They give it outstanding reviews, and they did the same thing with Makita. But here's my point. We're looking at and talking about just pricing for a minute. The other one was $121 or whatever it was, and this is $149. So, I mean, for that little bit more money, you actually are getting just the drill driver in one with Makita, and with this you're getting the drill driver and an impact. You're getting the combination. You're also getting 2 batteries, a charger, the bag, and everything else. And I'm sitting there thinking, for 30 bucks or less more, this is probably a better value, aside from the fact these are 20 volt drivers. The other one, remember, was 18 volt. So I have the 18 volt and it serves all my purposes, my Makita, for everything out in the shop, but I also have, this 20 volt DeWalt, and it's an outstanding cordless drill. Nothing against either one of them. I'm just doing a price comparison. Let me show you a couple of other pictures and I'll wrap this up. It wasn't meant to be a long video. I'm just telling you, you get all these advertisements like I do about this Makita combo pack, and hey, you should go buy it. This deal's great, won't last long, all this crap. You might take a look at this DeWalt and say, look, for less than 30 bucks or right around there, a little bit more money, I get 2 of these, which is much better. You get the impact driver, plus you get the drill. So, I don't know. But let me change a picture and I'll show you a couple of the pictures I took off the web. All right, here's a close-up. You can hit pause if you like. You can take a closer look at the specs on the DeWalt. This is the 20 volt max, and you're both, like I said, on the drill driver and the cordless drill. So I'll leave these up for a few seconds. I'll change the picture and I'll show you one other thing that I liked about the driver. All right, you can see the drill driver's got those 3 little LED lights. I mean, that's pretty cool too. I just think it's all around a better value for you if you're considering buying one of these combo kits. Okay, take a look at this. This is an actual display from out at my local Home Depot, and it's selling it for the same price that's on Amazon. So if you want something to return quick, I don't think you'll have to do that with DeWalt. But it's on sale currently at Home Depot, and here's the actual display. And you can see it's pretty good value considering you buy 2 batteries for $100, or you can buy this combo kit for the $149. So you can compare that over to the Makita and everything else. And to me, this is a better value, I think, all the way around than the Makita. But I'll leave it up to you to decide. So the other thing is on the forum, everybody wanted to vote on what are the top cordless drills. So let me put up the results and then we're going to end the video. Okay, so you can take a look from the results, and this is off of the forum, and there wasn't really numbers attached to this. People just were saying what they felt the best ones were and the reasons why. So take a look. The one we've been talking about is the best handling. Over here is that DeWalt, and it's that combo pack, that drill driver. What's the best values? The Ryobi, overachiever, best design, and then best overall. So there was nothing wrong with the Makita one, but they weren't looking at price versus what's the bargain and what's the better deal. They're just ranking. These are the top 5 drills, the cordless ones that people said that they would buy over and over and over again, and the reasons why. And they just took from the forum and put them into categories. And this came off of Popular Mechanics, so I took a screenshot of the whole thing. So you can actually do your own web search. Take a look under Popular Mechanics, type in cordless drills, and you can take a look at this actual picture and all of the comments and whatever yourself. But you can take a look and see, I only did a comparison between the Makita and the DeWalt because they're pushing these on Amazon, these combo kits, especially the Makita, just telling you, you might want to think about it versus kit, which is the DeWalt, before you make your final decision. You might get a little bit more bang for your buck with the DeWalt. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm not going to flood it with all of the comments because everybody's thumping the table about why their cordless drill is the best. It's your decision in the end, but I just wanted to draw your attention to the differences in these combo kits. And for 30 bucks or less, you may choose to go with the DeWalt. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you click subscribe and keep following me. I'll keep doing comparisons and how-to videos, and I'll talk to you again soon. You folks have a good day. Bye-bye.